Hello, you are welcome to another interesting topic. If you are among those asking for a very good feed formula using melon pea, this particular content is for you. When I released the health benefit of melon pea in poultry and livestock farming, many of my subscribers and viewers have been asking series of questions for me to release good broiler feed formula using melon pea, watermelon pea. You understand that watermelon pea is a waste. Many people throw it away. Users only eat the fruit and throw the bark away. But this bark has a lot of minerals, a lot of vitamins and nutritional values that can enhance your poultry feed production. That's why I advise you to watch this particular content to the end. I want to give you a very good broiler starter feed formula using melon pea, watermelon pea. So let's go there. Broiler starter feed using watermelon pea. And others. These others. This is 100 kg feed formula. Make sure you follow step by step for you to get the best from this, because we're going to do some calculations here. Now, the first thing you need to know is the nutritional value of watermelon pea. Then each of the ingredients you want to make use of, make sure you know the nutritional value. If you don't know the nutritional value of poultry and livestock raw materials or feed ingredients, watch my content on the nutritional value of poultry and livestock feed ingredients. It is there. Go and watch them so that you know each of the feed raw materials you want to make use of. You know the nutritional value and their inclusion rate. Here we need carbohydrate. Here we need crude protein. Here we need fat. Here we need minerals and vitamins. The energy comes from the carbohydrate, that is the corn or maize. Now we're going to use corn. The inclusion rate of corn for feed starter, poultry feed starter, especially the broiler, is between 40 to 60%. Here we're going to make use of 40 for this particular feed. So watch. Number one is maize. Maize, we are using 40 kg. The next one now is the watermelon pea. Watermelon pea, we are going to use 10 kg. Then we are now looking for animal protein. Let's use fish meal. Now we are looking for crop protein or vegetable protein. Now let's use GNC. GNC means groundnut cake meal. You know, we have groundnut cake meal and groundnut cake itself. So now, fish meal, let's use 10 kg here. Then groundnut cake meal, let's use 20 kg. Then let's use another animal protein here. That is the blood meal, animal blood meal. That is here we are going to make use of 5 kg. You know that this has a lot of crude protein. Number 6 here, we are going to include the bone and meat meal. Bone and meat meal. Bone and meat meal. Here we are going to use 5 kg. Then our number 6 is going to be limestone for minerals. Our limestone here, we're going to make use of 4 kg, or let's use 4.5 kg, so that it's the leg of your starter is going to be at least a very big, strong. Now let's go to the micro and macronutrients. Now number 7. Let's go for lysine. Lysine here is normally 0.5. Then the next one is methionine. Methionine here is 0.5 also. Then let's go to tiger nut meal. Tiger nut meal. You know tiger nut meal is rich in protein, it's rich in energy, and also rich in fiber. So let's use it. So to reduce the cost of it. Because what I'm trying to do here is to drop the cost of the feeding your poultry and livestock. This tiger nut meal is almost a waste. So it's going to drop the cost because you are going to buy it at a very cheap rate. So it's going to drop the cost of your feeding. So let's use tiger nut meal as number 8. Tiger nut meal number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is as number 9. As number 9. Now, tiger nut meal as number 9. Number 9. Tiger nut meal here, let's use 6 kg. Then the next one, eggshell. Eggshell, you know that if you go to hatcheries, you see that, and all these eateries, you see that they throw this eggshell away into dustbin. So in this particular feed content, we are going to use it so that it's going to drop the cost of feeding your livestock also. Because since they throw it away, if you want to pack it, they will even thank you. They will even greet you for packing it from them. So we are going to use it here instead of buying expensive dicalcium sulfate. So let's use eggshell. Number 10, eggshell. Let's use 1.5 kg. Since we have used bone meal here, bone and meat meal. Now, number 11, vitamin premix. Vitamin premix. That's vitamin and mineral premix. These are macronutrients. They are very simple. They are very small in quantity, but they do a lot of job in as much as your poultry and livestock animal feed is concerned. Let's use 0.5 kg also. Now, salt. Number 12, salt. Salt is the source 0.5 kg. Since this is 100 kg. Now, let's use blood meal here. Now, let's the blood meal come in to fortify the animal protein. That is number 13. Here, the blood meal is going to be 1 kg just to fortify the animal protein, because this blood meal has a lot of protein and it has lysine in large quantity. So that's why we're going to use it to fortify the lysine here. That's why I did it. So we have 13 raw materials. Listen, it is not compulsory that you must use the 13 in your own feed. Depending on the raw materials you have that are very common in your location. So here, let me draw the line here now. I'm going to calculate to get the crude protein. Because of the time, I may not be able to calculate the fiber content, the fat content, and others. What matters is the crude protein. It is the protein in that feed that gives the meat quality of your poultry and livestock animals. So let's get the the crude protein here, so that I will not extend this video longer than necessary. So if you can calculate the crude protein, remember that crude protein requirement of broiler starter is between 21% crude protein to 23% crude protein. So let's see whether we can get up to 21% from here. Now, the protein content we are going to use yellow corn. So let's put yellow here. Yellow corn is 10%. So we're going to do it like this. Now watch me. That will give you 40 times 10 divided by 100, because we are dealing with 100 kg. Now this will give us 400 divided by 100. That will give us 4. Now number two is watermelon. Watermelon peel has crude protein of 6.77%. So we're going to use 10 times 6.77 divided by 100. This will give us 60.7. That will give us 0.677. That's it. So the next one is fish meal. Fish meal is the number 3. Our fish meal here is 10 kg. And let's use local fish meal. Local fish meal gives us, that should be 45 crude protein. There are different categories of fish meal. We have local fish meal, tilapia. We have fish dust. We have clupid. We have foreign or imported fish meals. That is 60% crude protein imported, 62% crude protein imported, and 72% crude protein imported. Any one that you want to make use of, use it. But if you are using 72% crude protein, you're going to shoot up the crude protein and at the same time shoot up the cost, because the cost of crude protein, imported crude protein, 72% is very expensive. So let's use what we have here. That is fish dust, which will give us about that is 45%. Now we're going to make use of like 45%. That is 10 times 45 divided by 100. That will give us 4.5. I think you're getting it. Now, GNC is granite cake. Crude protein is 45%. 45%. Between GNC is 45 to 48%. So we are making use of the 48%. That will give us 20 times 48 divided by 100. This will give us 9.6. 9.6. Now, bone meal. Bone and meat meal, crude protein of bone and meat meal is average of 50%. So we're going to use 5 times 50 divided by 100, which will give us 2.5. 2.5. Now, this limestone here has no protein. It's for minerals. Lysine here is addictive. Methionine is addictive. Though lysine has little quantity of crude protein, but because it is too minimal here, there is no need adding it. It's going to be to fortify our feed, so there's no need adding it here. So we have tiger nut. Tiger nut is the next one. Our tiger nut is 8.45 crude protein. That's the percentage. So we're going to make use of 8.45. That will give us 6 times 8.45 divided by 100. This will give us what? 0.507. That's what it will give us. Now, the next one here, the next one we have here is eggshell. Eggshell also has little percentage of crude protein, which is 3.5% crude protein. So we have 1.5. That will be 1.5 times 3.5 divided by 100. This will give us what? 0.0525. Then we have blood meal. It's 90% crude protein. That is 1 times 90 divided by 100. That will give us 0.9% crude protein. You see that we have added all the crude protein. Now, what do we do for us to get the crude protein content of this particular feed? Now, watch me. You have to add this plus this, and this. This All this now will give us what? 22.7. 22.7% CP. That is crude protein. This is a very good feed formula for broiler starter using watermelon and tiger nut. Now you can see that watermelon here, you have gotten it free, because go there, they throw it away. In my own area here, nobody sells it. They pack it to the door. They even pay the barrel boys to throw it away for them. So if you even give those barrel boys a tip for them to bring it to you, it's going to be an advantage for you, because it's a waste. Now the tiger nut also is sold at a very low cost. So these two major ingredients here have dropped the cost of this feed to almost zero. If there is time, I would have used either dollar currency or Nigerian currency to calculate the feed cost. You see that this particular feed that has this high protein is not up to 7,000 naira per bag, and this is complete 100 kg, which will give you 4 bags of 25 kg bag. Please, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, do the right thing now. Click subscribe and activate the bell, so that anytime this kind of content or better one than this comes, you'll be among the first set of subscribers that will get notified by this our wonderful app. And you have to do best. Be at least a member of this particular family. This is a global family where we share information on how to run your poultry and livestock business in a profitable way and at a reduced cost, using available kitchen waste and local raw materials. Please let this video reach other farmers that are interested, that may need this video. Don't keep the knowledge alone. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question regarding this particular content, drop it on the comment section. I will be glad to answer it. These particular questions were asked by most of the subscribers and viewers, and today I promised them that I will do justice to it. You can see we have a very good feed formula using watermelon. The next video that is loading very soon is another feed formula that should be finisher, broiler finisher. I'm going to give you broiler finisher using the same watermelon pea, and after then you get your pineapple pea and other kitchen waste. I'm going to load them very soon, so that I will make sure I help you to drop the cost of feeding your livestock animals. Thank you for watching till the end. Bye for now.